this lesson, we will learn to use words like that and those in a sentence. Let's try saying, "What's that?" 那是什么? Please repeat after me. 那是什么?那是什么?那是什么 is made of 3 words. 那 means that. 是 means is. 什么 means what. 那是什么? To answer this question, we can say that is a pen. 那是笔. Please repeat after me. 那是笔. 那是笔. 那是笔 is made of 3 words. 那 means that. 是 means is. 笔 means pen. 那是笔. Now we learn to say, what are those? 那些是什么? Please repeat after me. 那些是什么? 那些是什么? 那些是什么 is made of 4 words. 那 means that. 些 indicates plural. 是 means is. 什么 means what. 那些是什么? Next, we learned how to say those are pens, which is 那些是笔. Please repeat after me. 那些是笔. 那些是笔. 那些是笔 is made of 4 words. 那 means that. 些 indicates plural. 是 means is. And 笔 means pen. Put them together and it means those are pens. 那些是笔. In this lesson, we have learned 那是什么? What's that? 那是笔. That's a pen. 那些是什么? What are those? 那些是笔. Those are pens. This is the end of the lesson. In the next lesson, we will learn how to say my, his, and hers in a sentence.